What's up, everybody? Dr. Courtney here, and today we got something going on up there, but the real talk is the VPro 5. What is this thing? How do I use it? Is this going to help me? Does it really work? Okay, so VPro 5 is a vibrational device that actually is made by a company called Propel, and what it does is it helps accelerate or speed up your orthodontic treatment. It comes as two pieces, a mouthpiece that you fight on, and you use this when you're either wearing your Invisalign tray or when you're in braces, and it has a motor. But the mouthpiece attaches to this guy, and you hit the button, turn it on, it will start to light blue, and you bite like that. How hard do you bite? Enough to hold it in your mouth. Sometimes I do get a little jaw pain, but you know, you want to use it and stay biting. Don't talk. Don't try and do a YouTube video, but you know, catch up on your DMs, your emails, your Instagram, you know, do some Facebook stalking, whatever you gotta do. But this is all it is. And I know it's a very simple thing, but I love it. I'm a personal user. Okay, so let's talk about 5 benefits. If you ever bump your elbow and you rub it to make it feel better, the reason why you're rubbing it is because it's actually bringing more blood supply to the area to make it feel better. So it's improving circulation. That vibrational device, one, improves circulation. So that soreness that you typically get with braces or whenever you change your new Invisalign tray, that helps decrease the discomfort. 2, whenever you put Invisalign on, you want to make sure that it's seated all the way down on your teeth. You could use your fingers, you can use a chewy, or you can use your VPro 5, and that's also doing the same seating. A better fitting tray will move your teeth more efficiently. Now with the VPro 5, it helps speed up the rate that that bone is remodeled. I change my Invisalign every 4 days using the VPro 5. I use the VPro 5 every time at night when I'm laying in bed catching up on emails, catching up on the latest episode of Vanderpump Rules. Another competitor to the VPro 5 is something called the Accellident. The Accellident was the original device that I used, except it's 20 minutes. A VPro 5, use it for 5 minutes a day. Now, one other thing that VPro mentions, whenever a bone gets fractured, when it heals, it's actually stronger bone because the bone trabeculates and kind of comes together a little bit better. So you do end up with a stronger bone. So if we're causing trauma to bone, it's going to heal a little bit stronger. Yeah, maybe, sounds good. Not really sure on that one. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for today. VPro 5, I love it. If it's an option for you, give it a shot. Buy a new mouthpiece, share this with your friend. But I love it, so look into it. All right, that's it for today. I'm gonna go share my smile with the world. Bye.